Hi everyone, this is Evie again. Today I'm going to do another dirty pour I'm using yellow green, red, blue green, and white. And as always, my paints are Artist Loft for right now with some Floetrol and some water, and each of these paints have a couple drops of silicone in them. And today for the dirty pour, we're doing not a flip cup today, just a swirl sort of thing, a ribbon sort of thing. Okay, to start off with, I'm going to put the colors in this cup. We'll start with a little bit of white at the center, just a little bit. Let's see, how do I want to do this? Okay, so maybe some green. Okay. Green, blue. Oh yes, I'm spilling it. Great. I'm spilling it everywhere. And then some red, a little bit of red. Okay, a little more red. Okay, let's do that again. A little bit of white, a little bit of yellow green, a little bit of green blue. Okay. So now, oh, before we do that, I want to cover the canvas with white. I have some pre-mixed white paint without any silicone in it. It's just white paint, and of course I already have some of the blue-green paint. I need something to mix this. I'm going to use my hand. This is just to help the paint glide easier when I do pour it. Okay, get my hand clean. So let's do the pour. I will pour it from the side. My paint is very liquidy. I am not sure if it's the right consistency, but we shall see. Got some bare canvas over here. So let's go ahead and tilt. Trying to cover some bare canvas. Okay. Get my hands clean. Let's see if we can get some cells. Again, I don't have a torch, but I do have a blow dryer, and that seemed to have worked before. Nothing is going on in this area, so let's add some paint. And there you have it.